Alex and Kristen. They're going up the hill because they're going to go down the ramp.
It's fun.
There's Kristen's big ass. Bubble butt! She looked at me like she was offended or something. There's the ramp they're going down. There they are. Ramp. Alex and Kristen. This is gonna be funny. I really hope they crash. That's my boyfriend and my best friend, but...
It's gonna be bad. 2 people, I'm wondering. Why is she in the back though? That's the worst.
I don't know. Go ahead!
Heavier she in the back.
Yep.
Oh man.
Go, Chode!
Oh my god.
I thought for sure Kristen was gonna bail out.
I did, it looked like it. She bobbled.